Okay, day 2. I got the top cap broke loose here. You can see that, right? Which wasn't much fun because my splash guard back here, as you can see, was fiberglass to the inner wall. So I got it, the top front lifted up, got some of the back lifted up. I could wiggle it, but it wouldn't come loose. So I had to cut the top piece off here so I could see what was going on, and this was all glass or putty sealed to the inner fiberglass, and that's what I have right there. That's my transom. It looks like mud. And I think what happened is pull arms here, loops weren't sealed. It is allowing water into the back of the boat. And if you look here, this one here, this drain is kind of broken, so more water was getting in there. Did no good to silicone the outside when it needed a new through-hole connector to begin with. The water got in there. But yeah, they had no shortage of rivets when they put this together. They're getting it lifted up. Got a little damage here. I need to put fiberglass on the back side of that, stiffen that up. And like in here, they had enough rivets. There's no structure there left. The fiberglass is still good wherever there are not 4 rivets right in a row. So I need to get the top all the way off here. When I get doing the fiberglass, I need to run a piece of glass on the back side of this. If nothing else, give me a place to put new rivets in, because it's kind of a holy edge there, is all I can say. I got to come along up here, and that's the box here. Cover popped out, and it done a little bit of cracking on this fiberglass here, so that's going to have to be repaired. You can see my gel coat and paint. I think I'm just going to have to paint the whole boat once I get it put back together. So I'm going to have to do some repairs on the deck from all the stress cracks to try and lift it up off of there, when it definitely didn't want to come because it was glass together. But there's my transom. Looks like mud and goosh and whatnot. But yeah, they had plenty of rivets. Lifting the front there, kept hearing a crack and couldn't figure out what was cracking. And come back here and it's cracked along here. So that's going to have to be, once I get this top lifted up, I'm to underlay some glass here, try to get it back together. You can see where it's split. Lift it up, support it, get this to lay back down, and then glass the underside. And yeah, do some painting, some outside glass work. Yeah, my $100 project. Seems overwhelming at times and be pretty simple to fix. Just gonna take a little time, but the thing I'm having is trying to dig this out with a machete here, get all this broken loose. Now once I get it broken loose in there, I gotta figure out how to dig it out. It's not wide enough to get my hand in there. And you can see what it looks like. Sorry for the rooster, he's mad. But it's been raining yesterday and today, but I've got probably 4 hours into getting it torn apart, mainly because it was glued together here in the back. Well, I was hoping to get back together here and within about a month, but we'll see. It's supposed to get down to 25 degrees tonight and rain and snow and typical Oregon weather. That's my project. Coming along on it. Got sawhorses up here so I can try to raise it up enough to support it and try to figure out how to do it and not do more of this cracking. Well, it's a 87 175D or whatever the letter is supposed to be on it, hand laid. Yeah, it's different. They must have 500 rivets down each side. So far, that's the headway. See here where the guy lifted up and got cracks in the glass here. That should lay back down, but I got glass here, it's cracked. So there'll be some deck work. But $100 project so far. It's a project. That's the update for now. So all these people are trying to separate it. Yours. Be careful of the back. It may be glued together.